Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. I'm walking right now here in my hometown, San Roque, Legazpi City. I'm just walking alone because my family is still there in our house. They are preparing something and having their dress on because we're gonna have a movie night out that we are supposed to happen last night, but time didn't permit me because of time frame that we had. So this could be the best time to watch, and I'm just walking for me to save money, even though it's 13 pesos, but still once you compute 13 times 10, it's equivalent to 130, and then times 10, 13,000, and then times 10, it will be 13 million. Actually times 10. I mean, if you will compute it 10 by 10, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, until, you know what I mean. Anyway, so, and then since that I still have 40 minutes, so I'd rather take a walk and just to have some exercise as well. And I'm gonna buy a weighing scale for my dried fishes, and it's still catching up for the time being. And then I told you that I used to walk here even though when I was still a kid, so I can live even without vehicles or transportation something, but except for the transportation bus, because when you walk from here to Bicol up to Manila, you will take, did you know, for how many days or for how many months before you can go there in Manila? Take some guess. Well, according to my grandmother Betty, Mama Betty, or as we fondly call Ma, during the World War II. Hi! Uy, nasay ka?
Alam sa sentro?
My cousin, right?
Hello.
Cheryl Damaso.